One killed and 2 injured in separate incidents due to landslide and heavy rain triggered by Cyclone Remal. East Khasi Hill District Police has summoned HYC leaders in connection with the dismantling of as many as 80 illegal structures at Lum Survey on May 23rd. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has accused the Congress of indulging in vote bank politics in the name of reservation. The Indian Coast Guard has demonstrated exemplary synergy with central and state agencies to successfully deal with the situation arising out of severe cyclonic storm Remal. In French Open tennis, ace Indian players Rohan Bopanna and Yuki Bhamri will start their campaign in the men's double first in Paris today.